Amma Country. All India stars. My parents are sisters. Our Amma Country. And I am proud of this chant. Very ethic. I shall always type booby very early. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders, breakfast and this everyone in week of the sea. To my country, I must prepare a place my devotion. India will be a property. Alone lies my happiness. A thought can really help motivate the kids to face rest of the day. I call upon Kashina Devi for thought of the day. Morning all, I am Kashina Devi of SKGA. Today I am going to tell you a thought for the day. Flowers are like friends, making color to the world. Thank you. Thank you, Kashina. For Olga's speech. Good morning to one and all. I'm Shika Janvi. It's my pleasure to welcome you all for the class assembly of LKGA. First of all, I would like to welcome respected principal, Reverend Father Joshi, my members and mine. I welcome you, Father. Next, I would like to welcome respected principal, vice principal, Reverend Father Subin Kutus and mine. I welcome you, Father. Next, I would like to welcome KG Head Ilida ma'am. I welcome dear ma'am. Then, welcome parents and my dear friends. Have a nice day. Thank you. Thank you, Chiatani. May reward our blue principal and Father Joshi, my mother, to kindly deliver the message.
A very good morning to my dear children. Today, LKGA is conducting the class assembly on the theme flowers. Flowers are the angels of a garden. The beauty of each flower soothes our mind and eyes. The different colors and beautiful fragrance enthralls humans. They give us a sense of freshness and peace to the mind. They add essence and meaning to our lives. Flowers brighten our existence like that. Being around our children lightens our mood and help us forget worries. Just as every flower in a garden is unique and wonderful, each child in a class is unique and precious gift of God. I have really enjoyed your assembly. It was very fascinating to watch, as it also reminded me of the blooming buds of a beautiful plant. So I congratulate all my little angels and the teachers, those who are behind it. May the good God bless all of you and Christ Nagar. Thank you.
Thank you, Father, keeping a good message. I go to my friends, present a fashion show.
Touch it, bring it,
Hey, yo,
pay
Switch,
it,
I don't think
watch
they
it,
ready for
turn
this
it,
shit.
leave it, stop, format it, touch it, bring it, pay it,
Hey, yo,
watch
let me
it,
take
turn
their
it,
ass back
leave
to the
it,
club.
pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it, touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it, touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it, touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it.
And as we start again, we ringing the bell. When I come, I be doing it and doing it well. Then I beat up the coochie and be making it swell, trying to.
If you tell me what you wanna do, that would change the way I look at you. Moving body to body on me. Bring that body to my body right here.
Only when I was saying, when I'm gay, no claim your royalty, big body. Only when I'm small, when I'm big, I was humble over it. I'm with you every day, even when you say, this is not the way. No one playing game, I'm picking up shit, we cannot stay safe. Family, don't call me sugar, don't touch the fire, don't give me drama. My best friend lover, when no money, you don't give honey. You only daddy, big daddy. Family, don't call me sugar.
Thank you, friends. Now invite Mia to the investor message.
Good morning, respected Principal, Reverend Father Joshi Mayamaram CMI, Vice Principal and Bursar, Reverend Father Subin Koto CMI, KG Head Lalita Ma'am, Staff Secretaries, dear teachers, my dear parents and dear little ones. We are very happy to conduct the class assembly of LKGA. Our assembly based on flowers. Flowers are the most beautiful gift given by the God. They surround us at every phase of our life. They are the source of happy, joy, sweetness and beauty. Flowers are different colors, shapes and smells. Let's see how a flower comes from a plant. Children, this is a process. A flower comes from a plant. We can compare the kids with a flower. As the life of a flower starts as a small bud. When the bud grown up, the petals of flower comes out and blossom and spread its sweet smell in the surrounding. Every child is a different kind of flower, and together they make this world a beautiful garden. Thank you.
Thank you, meme. Now I call upon Amanada for a speech. I am Amanad. I am studying AKG Naga Public School, Marandalu. Flowers are beautiful. I love flowers. Rose is my favorite flower. Thank you, Amanad. Next, my friends. Adike Sanada going to sing a flower.
Roses, roses, beautiful roses, in colors red, white or pink. I made in garlands, baskets or bouquets for celebrations. What do you think? I spread sweet fragrance wherever I go, morning, noon or even the night. People love me and lovingly treat me, for I'm a beautiful sight. Roses, roses, beautiful roses, in colors red, white or pink. I made in garlands, baskets or bouquets for celebrations. What do you think? I spread sweet fragrance wherever I go, morning, noon or even the night. People love me and lovingly treat me, for I'm a beautiful sight. Roses, roses, beautiful roses, in colors red, white or pink.
Thank you, friends. Now I call upon my friends for performing a wonderful flower dance.
The sunflower. The sunflower is a big, bright yellow flower with lots of petals. It is always seen facing the sun. Its seeds are crushed to make oil, which we use for our cooking. Sunflower. Sunny, 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 sunflowers. Yellow, 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 sunflowers. Sunny, 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 sunflowers. Yellow, 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 sunflowers. We spread good cheer around, be it home, meadow or ground. We always come to the big sun while we frolic and have fun. My oil makes food tasty, good health I bring you daily. My oil makes food tasty, good health I bring you daily. Sunny, 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 sunflowers. Yellow, 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 sunflowers. Sunny, 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 sunflowers. Yellow, 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 sunflowers. Morning Glory. The morning glory is a pretty and slender plant with pretty blue flowers that open as the sun shines. They can even be grown in pots which could decorate a windowsill. Morning Glory. The morning glory blossoms when the sun comes out to feed. She blows in every season when the stars all go to sleep. She flies outside my window as the birdies chirp their song. I'll come just now to water you. Yes, I won't be too long. La 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 morning glory blossoms when the sun comes out to feed. She blows in every season when the stars all go to sleep. She flies outside my window as the birdies chirp their song. I'll come just now to water you. Yes, I won't be too long. La 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 la. The rose. The rose is one of the most beautiful flowers that have a sweet fragrance. Their colors are pink, red, white, yellow and orange. It is a shrub and has thorns on its stem. Rose. Roses, roses, beautiful roses, in colors red, white or pink. I'm making garlands, baskets and bouquets for celebrations. What do you think? I spread sweet fragrance wherever I go, morning, noon or even the night. People love me and lovingly treat me, for I'm a beautiful sight. Roses, roses, beautiful roses, in colors red, white or pink. Roses, roses, beautiful roses, in colors red, white or pink. Ha! We are back home after a lovely day out. Aha! Lovely smell, Daisy. I forgot to tell you about my other friend. She also blooms at night. Can you guess which flower I'm talking about? That's Jasmine.
Jasmine, dear Jasmine, how nicely you grow, so bright and fragrant near my door. You look so beautiful and fresh under the light. Magically you bloom only at night.
Thank you, friends. I got a pot. Holly has joy for understand. Joshi, Maya, Parivasiyamai. Thank you, fathers. Then I let you thank our Vice Principal, Reverend Father Subin Kotor Siyamai. Thank you, Father. I let you thank our KD head, Miss Ledara ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Then I let you thank